In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Figma icon library, showcasing 3 different methods you can use, all in just 5 minutes. So whether you're an experienced designer or just starting out, we'll make sure you're equipped with the skills you need to create and utilize icon libraries efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Figma. If you're not already familiar, Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that's great for a range of design projects, including creating icon libraries. So open up your favorite browser and go to the Figma website. You can follow along with me as we go through each step. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the login button. If you already have an account, simply enter your details and sign in. For those who don't have an account, you can quickly sign up and then proceed. Logging in gives you access to all of your saved projects, files, and any shared work you're collaborating on with others, which is crucial for efficient workflow management. After logging in, you'll be directed to your home page on Figma. This area is your starting point and hub for accessing various tools and files so you can find whatever you need with ease. From here, you'll want to move over to the design section, which can typically be found in the top menu or navigation bar. The design section is where you'll be able to create new projects, work on your drafts, or access already created designs. Now that you're in the design section, there's one more simple step before we start building your icon library. Click on the action menu. This is often represented with an icon or denoted as a drop down in the interface. Navigating through Figma like this helps you familiarize yourself with its layout and ensures you can find all the features you might need as your projects grow in complexity. Finally, to complete the process of creating your Figma icon library, you'll want to utilize the search feature. Type in icon library into the search bar and Figma will show you a selection of relevant options. This powerful search tool lets you quickly locate the library you're interested in and can even suggest related files or elements that may be useful in expanding your library. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now built a Figma icon library, explored one of the 3 ways to do it, and gained confidence in navigating the Figma platform. Now you can start populating your library with icons that will not only enhance your designs, but also streamline your future design processes. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.